Hello everyone, welcome to 6802 55th Street here in Lubbock, Texas. This home is on a cul-de-sac, and if you step through here off to the right is the first room. This could be used as an office, formal dining area, whatever you want to use it as. You go up to the stairs. Once you get to the top of the stairs, then there is kind of a second living area off to the left, overlooks into the main kitchen and living room portion. A couple windows there to see through the neighborhood. And so if we go down the hallway here, there's access to the attic, and then here's the first bathroom. It's the guest bathroom upstairs, has a shower tub combo with this nice tile surrounding it. So good size for a guest bathroom. And then here's the first bedroom upstairs. All these rooms have windows, ceiling fans, good sized closets. And then here, the second bedroom, and all these bedrooms are good size. As you can see, there's plenty of room for bed and all of your items. This home was built in 2023, so it's only just a couple years old. So that's going to be really nice for someone to move in and not have to worry about too many issues. Here's the third bedroom upstairs. And this home is also pretty close to the Canyon West Shopping Center, so you'll have all of those amenities. Here is the kitchen. It has this gas stove. It has the oven and then the built-in microwave. And then over here in the corner is the walk-in pantry. It's got a light and plenty of shelves, as you can see. And then there's the space for the refrigerator. And then in the middle is the big island. Here's room for your kitchen table. Lots of windows throughout the home. Here's the living room. It has this nice fireplace, which is perfect for weather that we had back here in January. And then lots of windows out to the backyard. So that fence is just a couple years old as well. And there's the look, showing the whole space. It is an open concept, but there's plenty of space so that you're not overcrowded or anything like that as you go from the kitchen to the eating area to the living room. And there's a closet there. Over here is the master bedroom. It's got a couple windows and then just tons of space. Plenty of room for your dressers and armoires. Coming over here, the master bathroom is also very large. Here's the walk-in shower. And then there's a double vanity, so you don't have to fight over whose turn it is at the sink. Walk-in closet. As you can see, tons of clothes can go hanging up in here, and lots of shelving for extra things that you need to hide away in the closet. And then here's the separate. Again, this is 6802 55th Street here in Lubbock. It's just under 2,200 square feet, and it's listed at $299,900. So give us a call if you would like to set up a showing to see this place in person.